Plaintiff James Saragosa says his daughter knows the defendants, and one night they called his house, threatening to beat up his son. James claims the defendants made good on their promise to assault his son, and they also vandalized his car, so he's suing. Defendant Charles Long and his brother Michael say James's son, who's with James in court today, assaulted Charles the night before the incident with his car. Charles insists neither he nor Michael did anything to James's son or his car, so they refuse to pay.
Tell me what happened.
Well, first off, they're friends of my daughter's. I don't really even know them, but from what I hear, they're a very troubled family and they smoke crack and whatever.
They smoke crack?
That's what I hear, you know.
And your daughter hangs out with them?
No, she don't hang out with them. She knows them. She lives across the street from them. She doesn't.
Okay.
Doesn't hang out with them. No.
Go ahead.
Well, anyway.
You all crackhead? That's what he said. Why do you think he's saying that?
I don't know.
Have you ever heard that before?
What my family does has nothing to do with me.
Okay. Well, what you do today has something to do with this case.
Yeah.
If you're a crackhead and he's suing about auto repairs,
crack, but
it
I
may
mean, what the rest of my family does has nothing to do in this court.
You don't smoke crack?
No.
All right. You've never been accused of smoking crack?
No.
All right. You either?
No, sir.
Good enough. Go ahead.
Well, anyway, on August 8th, they called my house and threatened my son that they were going to come over and beat him up for supposedly jumping one of them that night. And I was home, so I know.
Stand up, young man. You ain't jumped nobody, have you?
No.
No, that was a lie already. Go ahead.
Yeah, anyway, they said they were going to come over and retaliate. But then they later admitted that the people that did it were hooded and they didn't really know who they were.
No one has said what the motive might have been? Let me hear from these gentlemen. Yes.
Unless he has phone records stating that I called his house, because I have a voicemail that he left on my phone. He was calling me, threatening me. I never called his house.
Okay.
Well, I don't know aware of that.
Who did he speak with when he called?
My son.
He speak with me.
All right. State your name.
Matt Saragosa.
What do you want to tell me?
The night he called my house and said he was coming over to my house because he said I jumped him. He came over to my house, but he didn't try to mess with me. He stabbed my dad's tires and my brother-in-law's tires.
Okay, and that's what the auto repair is for. Did you have anything to do with him being assaulted?
No. No, sir.
Did you ask him what he was talking about?
Yes, sir. But I didn't do nothing.
What did he say?
He said there's 3 guys in hooded sweatshirts.
What did you tell him?
I told him I would have been at home all night, and I was. And
would you have had any motive for jumping on him?
No.
You all friends?
No, we're not friends.
Where do you know him from?
From my brother.
What is the nature of your association?
My brother went to school with them.
Do you ever hang out with them?
No, I used to. I did a few times.
When did you stop?
Good 6 months ago.
Why?
I have no reason to hang out with them because they're not good people to hang around with.
Okay, how long did you hang around them?
Maybe a month or 2.
Okay, and what did you discover wasn't good about them that caused you to stop?
They smoke crack.
What do you all want to tell me about that? Were you assaulted? If so, did he have anything to do with it to your knowledge?
First of all, this is all a misunderstanding with him. It has nothing to do with the tires. I don't know what these tires are about, but I got jumped on August 7th. They were not hooded. I seen him and 3 of his friends. I won't use their names, but they jumped me behind Dunkin' Donuts. I started walking home. She picked me up on the way, and seeing that my face was all busted up, I went straight to her house afterwards. She tried to get me to go to the hospital. I didn't.
Do you have any idea why you were jumped?
No, I asked him. He said, "Don't worry about it. You'll get yours." That's all he said. But I have no clue
When they
why.
were beating you down, you still didn't say, "Hey, what is this about? What's the deal, man?" You didn't ask?
No, I didn't. They just ran up behind me, started hitting me. So, I mean, of course.
All right. Next time you see people you know, and they just start beating on you.
Well, there was 4 of them. There's no time to ask questions.
In between one of them ouches. Yeah. You say, ouch. Man, why are you doing this? What is the deal? What have I done? Ouch. You follow me? Yeah. Go ahead, sir. Just get back to the
well,
car
anyway,
damage.
The commotion was heard by my son and James, my ex-son-in-law, and they ran outside and confronted them. They both had knives in their hand. You could hear the air escaping from the tire.
And then what?
My son got punched in the head, in the back of the head by one of the.
By Mikey.
Okay. Did you call the police?
Yes, I did.
And what happened?
Well, the police said there was nothing they could do because they were from one county and we're from another county, and he said the only thing they advised me, the only thing you could do is go to court. And
Oh, you can sue in one county and live in the other, but you can't press charges and live in one county and stay in the other.
That's exactly what the Hobart police told me, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor, if this was the case, I mean, I would be in jail right now. I'm not allowed to carry a weapon on me. So if he even called and said that I was outside with a weapon, I would be in jail right now.
I'm very clear that if someone robs, rapes, or kills someone in a county they don't live in, the police don't tell you there's nothing we can do because they don't live in our county. That's not how it goes.
Well, they said because it was a mischief thing and not.
Having deadly weapons and committing malicious destruction of property over $100 are both felonies, punishable by up to 5 years just for the carrying of the deadly weapons. Well, let me get their defense first. Let me hear from you. You all had nothing to do with it. What are you going to tell me?
No, I got jumped. I have the voicemail.
What day is that?
It was on the 7th that I got jumped. The voicemail.
The same day that they allege you damaged his car?
Yes, that night he alleged that we damaged his car.
And you had been jumped earlier during the day?
Yes, and he's still...
Okay, hold on. Now, just coincidentally, the same day you were jumped by his family member is the same day they say, and it is a fact, that their tires were slashed, and they say they saw you slash them. You think that's a coincidence?
I mean...
Pardon me?
They both have a lot of enemies. I mean, I don't
That's
see
what I'm just
how
wondering. So
they can narrow it down.
And, all right, so it's a coincidence that one of their other enemies decided to slash and stab the car the same day that they jumped you. Good enough. You wanted to say something?
It wasn't the same.
You have to stand up and speak.
It wasn't the
State
same.
your name.
My name is Sean
Are
Johnson.
you one of those family? I mean, are you a family member?
That's my boyfriend.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
What do you want to say?
Their tires, they said, were slashed on the 8th. He was jumped on the 7th, so it's not technically the same day.
All right, well, that's what he said. You all are saying two different things. Who should I believe? You all are saying you and your boyfriend have said two different things. Who should I believe?
By 4 people.
Pardon me?
He got jumped by 4 people.
Who should I believe about the date? You just jumped up and told me that what your boyfriend said was, be quiet and listen. You jumped up, you're rolling your eyes. Get out. Okay. Bye-bye. Sir, what do you have to say?
The day his tires supposedly got popped, I was out of town. I did not arrive back till the next morning.
Okay.
And that is when I was at my parents' house and the police showed up at my parents' house with the plaintiff and his son.
You weren't there. You weren't in town at all.
No.
All right, and you were in town because you had got jumped earlier.
Yes.
Where were you that evening?
I was at her house.
Okay, very good. Now you have something you all want to play.
Yes, I have the voicemails. He's been leaving threatening voicemails since he jumped me, and I have them on my phone. I have one right here.
I don't know complaining games with you, dude. It'll come everywhere you are. I promise, dude. Hit you. Phone you.
That is not my voice.
Do you have any idea why he was doing that? You have no idea.
They've been calling restricted.
These are the weirdest things. You have no idea. Oh, and you're the same guy that doesn't know why you were jumped and never bothered to ask. We're going to get to this man's tires that were slashed. You have any evidence to convince me that they did it? The defendant number 2 says that he has an alibi, that he was out of town. And the other says he was at his girlfriend's.
Yes, my daughter texted Chuck, and if you could, my daughter can tell better than me.
State your name.
Here's basically what the messages said.
State your name.
My name's Jean Saragosa. I am a friend of Chuck's, Mikey. I know him as an acquaintance, not so much friends though. But after I was told about the situation that happened between my father's tires and the Long Boys, I was actually told about it from a third party that was with them the night that the tires were slashed. I text Chuck, I was a little upset because yes, Chuck's my friend, but that's my father. So of course I'm gonna get involved with it. Mm-hmm. I have text messages here from Chuck implicating that Mikey is the one who did the tire slashing, because I asked Chuck why he retaliated against my father when my father had nothing to do with anything between the boys.
And what did he say?
He had said that I was there, but I did not touch those cars. And when I said, then who did? He replied, not me, talk to the other person that was there. And I said, who, Mikey? And he replied, he was with me, right? And then he sent me the last message saying, I'm telling you it wasn't me, and I'm sorry they did that to your dad.
Chuck,
I mean,
do you know why that was said? I know it's a lot you don't know. Do you know the motive of you telling her that?
she said there was a third party with me. I mean, did she talk to that third party or not?
I'm asking you a question. You don't ask me the questions,
Yes,
Chuck.
I sent that, and I mean, I was talking about the other party, talk to him if he knows so much about it.
All right. All right, Chuck. I'm going to consider these text messages reliable because you have admitted to having sent them. You also, in this text message, implicated your brother, saying he was there. $226 is your judgment. It is a joint and several judgment, meaning it's a judgment against one and both of you at the same time. Whoever pays at that point, the judgment will be settled. If no one pays, he has the right to file a collections lawsuit for both or one of you and thereby collect. All right, judgment for the plaintiff.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The voicemail that the defendant played was not my voice.
He's been calling restricted several times. I mean, he said, I just want to fight you by myself, just me. But